everyone, I'm Erik with Craft AIFD, floral contributor for Living Flowers. And today I want to share with you some tricky techniques to create something super dramatic, very modern, and very blingy in the way of a bridal bouquet. You're going to start by creating the armature, taking 6 12-gauge wires and binding them together in the center using aluminum metallic wire. Next, you'll take the bind wire and attach it starting about 6 inches from the middle and begin wrapping around. Here I've done about 30 of those. Then I've taken the excess length of the long wires and bent them to the bottom. I've taken this entire thing and I've sprayed it with super silver from Design Master. Next, I attached the brooches. I took a 6-inch ring and actually bound it to the existing armature. From there, I've attached these different styles of bling accessories. Next, I've fed wires through the armature and down to the bottom to start forming the handle. I've bound them all together with corsage tape. Next, I've taken a length of bamboo and I've actually colored each end using a metallic Sharpie so that it's silver. I've simply fed the handle and glued it using Oasis floral adhesive. I've covered the bamboo in this sparkly, sticky adhesive paper. I've simply taken one of the bling pieces and glued it up in the bottom of the handle. Next, I'm inserting the calla lilies. I've layered them from long to short and leading them up into the focal point. Next, I've glued in some of the Star of Bethlehem heads, the seed pods, as well as some of the individual florets, carrying in that same line and overall placement through the design. Lastly, to create some shelter and visual movement through the design, I've woven through some of the lily grass. I've also created this coordinating boutonniere, which would be super fun for the groom. For more creative inspiration, be sure to tune in here, and thanks for watching today, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.